Hey friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall a ceiling fan. Make sure your power is off, disconnected, test it, all that good stuff. And then we simply want to rotate this to the side so those screws come off. And with this particular type of fan, really like the setup here. It's a ball and joint, basically. So you don't need to do anything as far as holding this up while you disconnect the wires. Some fans you have to do that. Makes it a little bit more difficult, that you got to remove it from the housing before you can undo the wires, but that's not the case here. We just take our wires off, just like this. There we go. Unscrew that last one. All right, that's all you got to do. And then this simply just lifts up this ball joint here out of the unit. Okay, so we just got to be able to hold that, get all our little wires out of the way, and we just lift up and out. That's all you got to do. Super simple. And our fan is now removed. So not difficult at all to do that. And then we just set this off to the side. Okay. Next we have this right here. We just remove this with just 2 screws is all that's holding that on there now. And now there's only 1 screw holding it on. And now there's none screws holding it on. And that's all you got to do. All right, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.